Hello everyone. Welcome to today's micro class. Pour over coffee can better preserve the original flavor and aroma of coffee beans, allowing us to taste a more authentic and rich coffee experience. This unique tasting experience makes pour over coffee the preferred choice for many coffee enthusiasts. Today, I'd like to share with you the various factors affecting pour over coffee and how we can address these issues. To brew a cup with rich texture and full-bodied perfect pour-over coffee. First, we need to understand that making pour-over coffee is a complex and delicate process. It's influenced by many factors. The first factor is coffee bean selection. Different bean varieties, origins, processing methods all contribute unique textures and flavors to the coffee. Therefore, choosing beans that suit your taste preferences is crucial. To address this issue, we can experiment with different coffee beans, learn their characteristics, and gradually find our perfect match. The second factor is roast level. The degree of roasting directly affects the coffee's texture and flavor profile. Overly light or dark roasting can both lead to unbalanced flavors. To solve this problem, we can choose professional roasters, to purchase beans, or consult staff when buying, to understand the bean's roast level and select the most suitable beans for our taste. The third factor is grind size. The coarseness of the grind directly affects extraction speed and extraction yield. Too fine may make coffee bitter, while too coarse may result in weak flavor. Therefore, we need to choose appropriate grind size based on brewing method and personal taste preferences. The fourth factor is water quality. Mineral content in water directly impacts coffee extraction. Ideal water quality for coffee brewing. pH value should be between 6 to 8. Purified water and mineral water are common choices for pour-over coffee. Purified water ensures the coffee flavor remains pure and clean. Mineral water for brewing coffee creates richer taste and complexity. The fifth factor is water temperature. Water temperature level directly affects coffee extraction. Too low temperature may cause under-extraction, while too high may make coffee bitter. To solve this problem, we can use a thermometer to measure temperature, ensuring each brewing session maintains optimal water temperature. The fifth factor is extraction time. Extraction time too long or short both affect coffee's taste and flavor. To solve this problem, we can use a timer to precisely control extraction time, ensuring each brewing achieves optimal extraction results. The seventh factor is brewing method. Different brewing techniques create different chemical reactions, thus affecting coffee's taste. Improving the brewer's skills and experience enhances coffee flavor accordingly. Making pour-over coffee is a process of continuous experimentation. Only through constant practice and adjustment can we find our perfect brewing method. To create an excellent cup of pour-over coffee. Pour-over coffee as a unique brewing method not only affects our taste experience, but also profoundly impacts the environment and production scale. Firstly, pour-over demands higher brewing skills. To make a perfect cup requires mastering grind size, temperature control, and brewing time among key techniques. This requires the brewer to possess professional knowledge and experience through continuous experimentation to find one's preferred brewing style. Moreover, pour-over coffee also places certain demands on the environment. It requires a quiet and comfortable setting, allowing us to focus on the brewing process and enjoy the pleasure it brings. However, despite its many advantages, pour-over coffee has limitations when it comes to mass production. Because pour-over coffee requires significant time and manual effort to prepare, it's not suitable for large-scale production. In busy coffee shops, pour-over coffee may increase customers' waiting time and maintaining consistent quality in batch preparation can be challenging. The impact of pour-over coffee on us is also worth considering. Pour-over coffee is a unique and precious beverage. To achieve perfect taste and flavor in preparation requires professional knowledge and practical experience. Constant experimentation and adjustment is an art. Focusing on brewing in a quiet, comfortable environment is something worth savoring and appreciating.